Hi there, I'm James Preston and thanks for tuning in to Kalkine Media. Buy now, pay later giant Afterpay could potentially be in serious hot water, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. But first, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. On Tuesday, it was reported that Australian fintech giant Afterpay is facing a proposed class action complaint filed in the US Northern District Court of California by two US law firms. The claim alleges that the company's marketing team is misleading consumers over the fees that they can incur with their banks and is reportedly seeking a restitution of all paid fees being repaid, punitive damages, and actual damages. The suit also seeks an injunction on behalf of the general public to prevent Afterpay from continuing to engage in its illegal practices, according to the lawsuit. Immediately after the news broke, the company's shares erased most of the gains it had made in the morning trade. The shares of the company tumbled 1.65% from an intraday high, erasing 1.78% of the early morning gains. However, the shares partially recovered by the time of filling this copy. The issue brings into spotlight the class action suits, a common thing for the companies in the US. Until now, there have been 46,492 class action suits in the US, of which 2,611 have been settled, leading to settlements worth over US $105.14 billion. The South District of New York is the most active court on this front, according to Stanford University. So let's take a look at what a class action consists of. A class action, which can also be called a representative action, is a legal option that permits one or more parties to file or prosecute a lawsuit on behalf of a larger group of parties, or what is referred to as a class. For example, a company may produce a skincare product that contains ingredients that then harms consumers. Consumers of this product could then be grouped together to launch a joint action against the company due to the adverse effects of using the product. A class action often puts heightened pressure on a company, and it's an efficient way for legal practitioners to bring multiple claims to court relating to the same issue. So why are class actions important? Class action lawsuits are usually considered as an important part of the legal system, as they permit the fair and efficient resolution of claims of multiple parties by allowing the claims to be bundled into a single action against a defending party that has allegedly caused harm. It reduces the logistics associated with the case for all the parties involved. So what are the pros of a class action suit? The class action suit provides restitution to aggrieved parties who might have otherwise received nothing because of attorney costs. The move also helps to reduce the cases clogging the court system, along with reducing the cost associated with it, and thus it enables a speedy delivery of justice. The move also brings equality in delivery of justice, as it ensures that people with similar injuries are treated similarly, which they might not have been able to do individually. It also motivates defendants to settle the case with plaintiffs, since there are many plaintiffs involved and because of a social cost. So are there any cons associated with a class action suit? The answer is yes, many of them. Primarily, the aggrieved parties may end up receiving a very small award, while attorneys earn very large fees. The case may also take longer than usual to settle because of the complex processes involved. The quality of the legal representation, or simply put, the lawyers, impacts many plaintiffs at one point, which would not have happened had they filed the case individually. Also, as has happened many times, the law firms may end up exploiting the plaintiffs for their own fame and monetary gain. Plaintiffs also give up the right to sue the defendant individually. So is it worth being involved in a class lawsuit? In short, yes, class lawsuits can still be very beneficial. For class members or the parties involved in the case, in which a single action has been decided against the defendant, it only takes the filing of a claim form and potentially providing documentation in order to be able to recover benefits from a class action settlement. The move can allow a plaintiff or the aggrieved parties to recover up to thousands of dollars worth of compensation without having to run from pillar to post to do so. If you've enjoyed the information contained in this video, then make sure to like, share and comment on the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information and regular updates, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston for Kalkine Media.